Welcome to Home Improvement and Decor.com. In this video, we will discuss how to paint exterior walls. The exterior wall paint project can transform the looks of your house. However, apart from aesthetic consideration, exterior wall paint also helps to create a protective shield, which protects the house from adverse conditions. Understanding the correct technical process for painting the exterior walls is crucial for the success of your DIY project. It is important to correctly execute the exterior paint work to ensure you get best returns on the investment you make in buying the expensive paint and other painting work expenses. This DIY video will guide you step by step. This video is specially designed to help you learn the pro tips and tricks on how to paint exterior walls like a professional in 7 simple steps. This exterior wall painting method is recommended for either a brick wall surface or a cement plaster surface, and also for the wooden wall surface. But before we begin, let us first take a quick look at the steps necessary for the execution of exterior painting work. 1. Removal of the existing paint. 2. Open all the cracks on the wall surface. 3. Seal all the open cracks with crack sealant material. 4. Mask the exterior doors, windows and other gadgets. 5. Apply the primer paint coat on the wall surface. 6. Apply 2 coats of exterior wall paint. 7. Perform unmasking and the cleaning operation. Let us now dive into each step in detail. The first step is to remove the existing paint on the wall surface. Existing paint removal might not be required in all cases. This depends upon the condition of your existing paint. However, if the condition of the existing paint is not good, then either complete removal or just scrapping of the existing paint is sufficient. Some of the most commonly used paint removal methods used by the painting work professionals include removal by sanding machine, paint removal by using scrapping tools, such as wire brush, or paint removal by using a high-pressure washer. After the paint removal, the wall surface should be thoroughly cleaned and must be completely dry. Moving on to the second step. In the second step, all the existing cracks on the wall surface must be sealed with crack sealant material readily available in any home improvement store. For this job, you will need a sharp wall crack opening and scrapping tool to effectively perform this job. Opening up the cracks is necessary to create a room for the crack sealant material to penetrate deep into the crack, which effectively seals the crack. The third step is to seal all the cracks. For large cracks, you can use either white cement or gray cement to first seal the large cracks and then apply finishing coat of crack sealant material. For smaller cracks, the crack sealant material is sufficient. For best results, a good quality sealant must be used. A final sanding operation must be done to ensure a level wall or wood surface. After sanding work, the surface must be thoroughly cleaned to remove all loose dust. At this stage, the wall surface is now ready for the paint work. The fourth step is to mask all doors, windows and other gadgets in order to protect them from unwarranted stains. You can use the masking material and masking tape to complete this job. After masking work is complete, you are now good to go for the fifth step, that is application of the primer paint. Different types of exterior paints are available in the market. The exterior paint selection depends upon the budget, technical specifications, and desired features. You can either choose either water-based category of paints or oil-based paints. Some reputed paint brands offer a special category of exterior paints that does not require a prior application of primer paint coat. This is a 2-in-1 paint that combines the primer with the exterior paint. For these paints, the application of first primer coat is not required. This information is clearly mentioned on the product container and product packaging. However, if the paint does not include a primer paint, then the application of first coat of primer paint is necessary. Let us now move on to the sixth step. The exterior paint can be applied on the walls using different methods. Some of the commonly used methods include: first, application by using a brush; second, application of pant by using a paint roller brush; and the third method is to use a spray painting machine, which is another good option. Each of these methods offers some advantages and limitations. You can select any method that works best in your situation. However, most painting contractors prefer to use either a paint roller or spray painting machine. Most panting work can be completed by applying 2 coats. The first paint coat should be allowed to become completely dry before the application of the second coat. Usually, a gap of minimum 6 to 8 hours is considered sufficient between the 2 coats, depending upon the season and other conditions. The paint thinners can be added to get the desired consistency of the paint. Please read the product usage instructions mentioned on the product container. You can also use different types of special rollers to give specific texture effect to the painted surface. The final and 7th step is to perform the unmasking and cleaning work. If the masking job is done perfectly, then you can substantially minimize the post-painting work cleaning and avoid other collateral damage. However, some cleaning efforts would still be required to finally complete the painting job. Congratulations! You have successfully finished an exterior wall painting DIY project with professional standards. So, that brings us to the end of this DIY tutorial on how to paint exterior walls. Please visit our website, homeimprovementandDecor.com, for detailed information on exterior painting DIY project, different types of exterior paints, technical details, and step-by-step painting guide. If you find this content useful, then give us a like, and please do subscribe to this channel, dedicated for home improvement projects. And thanks for watching.